Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Grab a hold of that vine, swing right onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, my Instapot Weeknight Warriors, I'm so glad that you came to sit there and see what recipe we're going to be doing this week. And this week's recipe is a Philly cheesesteak sloppy Joe. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Hey there, Instapot Weeknight Warriors. Are you ready to sit there and make a Philly cheesesteak sloppy Joe? Well, let's get cooking. Good looking. I'm gonna put the saute button on. I'm gonna take my 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna grab my 1.5 pounds of my ground beef. And we're gonna add that, and we're just gonna brown it up. Now, I have dry dehydrated pepper, and it's the equivalency of what would be 1 sweet pepper. Now this is half green and half red. You're gonna sit there and need 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, or what some of you might know as, what's this here sauce? And always, before you're using this Worcestershire sauce, always give it a good shake. So let's go ahead. And then we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of ketchup. There you go. Now, I'm going to give everything just a quick mix. I'm going to break up the ground beef. And remember, we're just giving it a little bit of color. We do not want to cook it all the way. We just want to sit there and put a tan on the meat. So basically, it's down at the beach already, starting the party. They're getting their tan on. And at the same time, that pepper is getting all dehydrated by all the steam that's inside of the Instapot here. Now I'm going to give it a good pinch of salt, and I'm also going to give it a good pinch of black pepper. Again, give it all a good stir. Let it get its little tan on. Alright, it has its little tan on. The meat is still pink. Now I'm going to come down here. We're going to push it off. I'm going to come over here, push the manual button, and we're going to set the time for 6 minutes. Now before I put the lid on, I'm going to grab a package of the Lipton or store brand of onion soup mix. So let's go ahead, add all that. And at the same time, you're gonna want 1/4 cup of water. Now I'm gonna quick give this all a stir, and we're gonna sit there and put the Instapot lid on and allow it to build up its pressure and commence cooking for the 6 minutes. We'll come back, do a quick release, and I can call my family in to eat. So, put our cover on, close it, make sure our vent is closed up here, and I'll see you. Okay, it sounded off. I'm gonna come up here, we're gonna do a quick release. I'm gonna grab some buns and I'm gonna grab some provolone cheese. Let's go ahead, move the cover, and remember, always open it away from you. Now I'm gonna give it a good stir. Now I have my fake out takeout basket. I have a bun on the bottom, and I always put my bun on top of my fries, that way I don't have a soggy sandwich. I have a slice of provolone cheese, and then we come over here to the Philly cheesesteak sloppy joes, and we're gonna sit there and pile that on top of our bun with our cheese. Now you put as little or as much of the Philly cheesesteak meat that you want on yours. Have another slice of provolone cheese. I put that over the meat. I have the top of the bun. Now I'm gonna sit there and put that on. We're gonna allow that to set for maybe about 2 minutes or so, just so the provolone cheese starts to melt a little bit. And then you can commence eating. Now you tell me if this Philly cheesesteak sloppy joe wasn't one of the easiest Instapot recipes that you know. Now, I know you're gonna dig it this summer, especially on them dog days of summer when you just don't feel like heating the house up or really cooking. This is gonna sit there and please everybody's appetite. So, if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear?